This is the physical, spiritual, and energetic process by which items and locations like a house or building become haunted. So the way this happens is whenever there is an extreme energetic charge, usually through the form of human emotions, associated with an item. One strong example of this is the Koh-i-Noor diamond in the Queen Elizabeth crown. Whenever there's a strong emotional injection and association with an object, that latches on to whoever comes in contact with that object in the future. So what happened was this diamond actually came from British looting of India. Specifically, there was a young Mughal prince, I think he was around 11 years old, he was basically forced into handing over this massive diamond that currently exists today as part of the crown jewels. And when that much trauma of theft and colonialism is imprinted into an object, it changes its energetic field. And everyone who comes in contact with it or even thinks about it mentally can feel that. And a physical example of this with locations, you probably heard about ghosts haunting places where tragic events took place. In order for a space or an object to be cleared of this negative energy, there needs to be a sort of blessing or other ceremony or event with equally strong emotional charge in the opposite positive sense. So one good example of this is sometimes you need to cleanse objects by blessing them. Or conversely, if it's like a physical location, one example of this is the Meyerling affair in Austria, when one of the crown princes, he committed a murder-suicide with his 17-year-old mistress, Verezza. And after this scandal broke out and this murder-suicide was discovered, the royal family immediately converted that hunting lodge where this event happened into a Carmelite monastery that you can still visit today. And over time, and with dedication, this higher energy from the nuns, the religious energy, can gradually cleanse this place. So consciously or subconsciously, we all know how energy works and charges the physical objects and locations in our day-to-day lives. So now you know.